If you've been searching for tinnitus relief for some time now, you've probably already ran into two common responses. One of them is very confusing, and one of them is very stressing. From your ENT or general doctor, you may have heard things like, "It's in your head, there's no cure, you just have to learn how to live with it." And from social groups, advertisers, and just random videos, you've probably seen promises of miracle pills, eardrops, ear tricks, or quick fixes that just make tinnitus disappear just like that. Both of these responses are wrong, and they are the biggest lies out there that keeps people stuck with their tinnitus. In this video, I'm going to break down these lies and explain to you exactly why they are so damaging. And of course, I'm going to show you the truth of what actually works. I'm Guy, I'm a hearing health and tinnitus coach. I've been managing severe hearing loss and severe tinnitus for more than 15 years now. A lot of people's first experience with tinnitus is going to their doctor or ENT while hoping for answers. And what they often hear is, "There's nothing you can do. There's no cure. Just learn to live with it." And by the way, this was exactly my experience, and I even got to go through it twice. The reason is I have tinnitus and TTTS. In both cases, I pretty much got the same message. If you had to go through this yourself, I'm truly sorry. Now imagine hearing this when you're already anxious, when tinnitus is interrupting your work, your focus, your sleep, and just your peace of mind. It is absolutely devastating. It pushes people into despair, depression, and it makes them focus even more on tinnitus sounds. Now here is the truth. Tinnitus relief and habituation is possible. Tinnitus itself is just a symptom and is generated by your brain. This means that the power to get relief and habituate to tinnitus is here, not anywhere else. Your brain can learn to stop reacting to tinnitus and stop treating it like a threat. During the process of relief and habituation, tinnitus fades into the background and you are able to live normal and quality life again. So take this message from this video. Hopelessness is not the truth. Relief is possible. But the no hope message isn't even the most dangerous one. Wait until you hear about the next lie, because this one probably costs tinnitus sufferers millions of dollars. If you want access to multiple effective tinnitus tools, feel free to join my free tinnitus community. You can find a link in the description below, and on there you will find many tools and courses that will guide you through your tinnitus relief and habituation journey. You can also find different people just like us that are on their own journey to tinnitus relief. Now let's look at the other extreme, the miracle cure lie. On the web and in social groups, you will see either ads or posts that will show you the supplement that will take your tinnitus away, just like that. Ear massages that supposedly just shuts tinnitus off, and eardrops that do the same. All these things prey on your fear and anxiety from this sound. If you just started your tinnitus relief journey, it's really easy to get tempted and try these things. The result is that you spend money and you just get disappointed. And the worst part is that you wasted time where you could have gotten real relief. And of course, you end up more frustrated and more depressed than before. Now here is the truth. There is no magic pill out there, no magic eardrops you can use, nothing that will just take away tinnitus just like that. At least not yet, and not for some years from now. This doesn't mean nothing helps. There are many powerful tools that will get you real relief, but they are not supplements, eardrops, or anything else in that nature. Since tinnitus is actually generated in the brain, the tools that you have to use have to do with teaching the brain that tinnitus is not a threat and it's just an annoying sound that you can ignore. There are many effective tools out there that include things like sound therapy, different relaxation techniques, CBT, and so on. These tools actually address the real problem, which is generated by your brain. They help you relax your nervous system, and defocus from tinnitus. Because we are actually training our brains to do something different, it takes time. And for each one of us, it can take a longer or shorter time. But the end result is you get the quality of your life back. If you hear tinnitus, it's like the refrigerator sound or the traffic sound out the window that you don't pay attention to. So if something sounds too good to be true when it comes to tinnitus, it probably is. Don't let quick fix promises distract you from the proven path forward. There is one more type of misinformation that trips a lot of people. And this one is sneaky because it often comes from good intentions. You'll see posts or comments like this one. I did this one thing and my tinnitus disappeared. So that means that everyone else should try it too. Now I don't doubt these people. Many of them are being completely honest about their experience. They achieved real relief and they want to share their experience. But here is the real problem. Tinnitus is incredibly individual. There are so many types of tinnitus, so many conditions that can affect it, so many causes, it's impossible to deduct that one thing that helped me is going to help you. For example, I recently came across a story of a man in his 70s who had both tinnitus and serious balance problems from a vestibular condition. He was prescribed a special medication to deal with dizziness and balance problems. The medication helped relieve his balance issues, and as a result, his tinnitus improved a lot too. But here's the thing, most people that have tinnitus also have hearing loss. If your specific tinnitus is a result of hearing loss or sound trauma, this medication is not going to help you. In fact, it can even cause unwanted side effects if you use this medication for the wrong reason. This is why copying someone else's solution to their own tinnitus can be very misleading and a dangerous road. The truth is, the first step to tinnitus relief is identifying your own tinnitus type and the likely cause. Only then you can actually match yourself with tools and strategies that will actually work for you. So yes, someone else's story can be inspiring, but your relief and habituation has to be yours. And if you are confused or stuck with your tinnitus symptoms, I'm here to help. I offer free strategy sessions where we will discuss your symptoms, your condition, your situation, and I will help you create a personal plan for relief that will work for you. You can find a link in the description below, which will allow you to schedule a time that works for you. So to summarize, the biggest lies about tinnitus relief are the no hope lie, the miracle cures, and the one-size-fits-all advice. Don't let them keep you stuck. Relief is definitely possible, but only when you understand your tinnitus and use the appropriate tools that retrain your brain's reaction. If you are dealing with sound sensitivity or reactive tinnitus, and every daily sound is driving you crazy, watch this video here that will tell you exactly what to do. And if you want to learn about the tinnitus relief strategy that is not used by many people, watch this video here that will show you how to use your own nervous system to get relief. I'll see you in these videos.